Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever felt nervous when speaking English? Do you sometimes understand English, but when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world face the same problem. The good news is this. Speaking English fluently is not a talent. It is a skill. And like any skill, you can improve it with the right method and daily practice. In today's video, I will show you how to speak English fluently in 30 days with a simple step-by-step guide. This plan is easy to follow even if you are a beginner. If you practice these steps every day, you will start noticing a big improvement in your confidence and fluency. So stay with me until the end, because this 30-day plan can truly change the way you speak English. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop translating in your head. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is translating from their native language. For example, when you want to say something, your brain first thinks in your native language. Then you translate it into English. This process is slow and confusing. If you want to speak English fluently, you must start thinking directly in English. At first, this might feel difficult, but you can train your brain. Here is a simple exercise. Look around you and describe things in English. For example, this is my phone. I am sitting in my room. The weather is nice today. I am drinking tea. These are simple sentences, but they train your brain to think in English. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Gradually, your brain will stop translating and start thinking naturally in English. Step 2. Speak every day. Many learners spend years studying grammar and vocabulary, but they rarely speak. Remember this important rule. You cannot learn speaking without speaking. Speaking English is like learning to ride a bicycle. You can read about it, but you only improve when you practice. So start speaking every day. You can speak with friends. Practice in front of a mirror. Record your voice on your phone. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, talking to yourself might feel strange at first, but it is one of the best ways to improve. For example, you can talk about your day. I woke up at 7 in the morning. Then I had breakfast. After that, I went to work. This kind of practice builds fluency and confidence. Try to speak at least 15 to 20 minutes every day. Step 3. Learn common daily sentences. Many people try to memorize difficult words, but in real life, we mostly use simple and common sentences. For example, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? I understand. That sounds good. Let me think about it. If you learn and practice these types of sentences, speaking becomes much easier. Instead of memorizing long vocabulary lists, focus on phrases and expressions used in daily conversation. You can write down 10 new sentences every day and practice them. After 30 days, you will know 300 useful sentences. That is more than enough to have everyday conversations in English. Step 4. Listen to English. Everyday listening is just as important as speaking. If you listen to English regularly, your brain automatically learns pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence patterns. You can listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, interviews, movies, YouTube videos. When you listen, don't just hear the words. Try to notice how sentences are formed. Also pay attention to pronunciation and tone. Even 20 minutes of listening every day can improve your speaking skills significantly. Step 5. Use the shadowing technique. One powerful method to improve fluency is called shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating what they say immediately. For example, play a short English video or audio, then repeat the sentences exactly like the speaker. Try to copy pronunciation, speed, intonation. At first, you might not be able to keep up. That's okay. With practice, your speaking speed and confidence will improve. This technique is used by many professional language learners. Practice shadowing for 10 minutes every day. Step 6. Improve your vocabulary. Smartly. Vocabulary is important, but learning random words is not very effective. Instead, learn words that you can actually use in conversation. For example, words related to daily activities, work food, travel friends, and family. When you learn a new word, always create a sentence. For example, word, opportunity. Sentence, this job is a great opportunity for me. Learning vocabulary with sentences helps you remember and use the words naturally. Try to learn 5 to 10 useful words every day. Step 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people don't speak English because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Think about a child learning to speak. They make many mistakes, but they keep trying. That is how they learn. If you wait until your English is perfect, you may never start speaking. So speak confidently, even if your English is not perfect. Remember this: fluency comes before perfection. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you will make. Step 8. Practice real conversations. Another powerful way to improve is practicing real conversations. Try to create situations where you can speak English. For example, talking with a friend, joining an online speaking group, participating in language exchange programs. You can also practice common situations like ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, introducing yourself, talking about your job. Practicing these real-life conversations prepares you for real communication. Step 9. Follow the 30-day practice plan. Now let's put everything together. Here is a simple daily routine for the next 30 days. Every day, 10 minutes, thinking in English, 20 minutes, speaking practice, 20 minutes, listening practice, 10 minutes, shadowing 10 minutes, learning vocabulary and sentences. In total, this is about 1 hour of practice every day. If you stay consistent for 30 days, your improvement will be noticeable. Your confidence will grow. Your speaking speed will improve, and you will start expressing your thoughts more easily. Step 10. Stay consistent and positive learning. A language takes time. Some days you will feel motivated. Other days you might feel tired or discouraged. But the key to success is consistency. Even small daily practice can create big results over time. Always remember why you started learning English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to communicate with people around the world. Keep your goal in mind and keep practicing. Conclusion. So let's quickly review the steps. Stop translating in your head. Speak every day. Learn common sentences. Listen to English regularly. Use the shadowing technique. Improve vocabulary with sentences. Don't fear mistakes. Practice real conversations. Follow the 30-day practice plan. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you follow these steps seriously for the next 30 days, you will see a big improvement in your English speaking ability. The 30-day action plan, week by week. Now that you understand the important steps, let's break the 30 days into 4 simple weeks. This will help you stay organized and motivated. Week 1, build the habit. The first week is all about building the habit of using English every day. During this week, your goal is not perfection. Your goal is consistency. Every day during week 1, try to do these things. Spend 10 minutes thinking in English. Describe your surroundings. Talk about what you see. For example, I am sitting at my desk. I can see my laptop. The weather looks cloudy today. Next, spend 15 minutes listening to English. You can watch short English videos, listen to podcasts, or watch interviews. Choose something simple and clear. After listening, try to repeat some sentences aloud. Then spend 10 minutes speaking practice. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. For example, today I woke up early. I had breakfast with my family. Later I will finish my work. Finally, learn 5 new words every day and make sentences with them. By the end of week 1, you will feel more comfortable using English daily. Week 2, improve your speaking confidence. During week 2, you will start speaking more confidently. Continue the habits from week 1, but now increase your speaking time. Spend 20 minutes speaking every day. You can practice different topics, such as your hobbies, your favorite food, your favorite movie, your job or studies, your future goals. For example, you can say, "My favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy learning new ideas from different authors." Or, "I would like to travel to different countries in the future." During this week, you should also start using the shadowing technique. Choose a short video with clear English. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences immediately. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural. Week 3, practice real conversations. In week 3, your focus should be real communication. Try to speak with other people in English whenever possible. You can. Talk to friends who are learning English. Join online speaking groups. Use language exchange apps. Practice with classmates or colleagues. If you don't have a speaking partner, don't worry. You can still practice by recording your voice. Choose a topic and speak about it for 2 or 3 minutes. Then listen to your recording and notice areas you can improve. Ask yourself questions like, did I speak clearly? Did I pause too much? Did I repeat the same words? This method helps you become more aware of your speaking style. Week 4, speak more naturally. By the 4th week, you should already feel more comfortable speaking English. Now, the goal is to sound more natural and fluent. Try to speak for longer periods without stopping. For example, choose a topic and talk about it for 5 minutes. Topics could be a memorable experience, your favorite place, a lesson you learned in life, your daily routine. While speaking, try to use simple sentences, but connect them smoothly. For example, last year I visited a beautiful place with my family. The weather was pleasant, and the scenery was amazing. We spent the whole day exploring the area and taking photos. Practicing longer conversations improves your fluency. Also, continue listening to English every day. This keeps improving your pronunciation and understanding. Common problems English learners face. Even with practice, learners sometimes face difficulties. Let's talk about a few common problems and how to solve them. Problem 1. I understand English, but I cannot speak. This happens because many learners focus too much on reading and listening, but not enough on speaking. The solution is simple. Start speaking every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Problem 2. I forget words while speaking. This is very normal. Even native speakers forget words sometimes. Instead of stopping completely, try to explain the idea using other words. For example, if you forget the word calculator, you can say, "It is a small machine used for doing math." This keeps the conversation going. Problem 3. I feel shy speaking English. Confidence grows with practice. Start with small and safe situations. Speak with friends. Practice alone. Record your voice. Gradually, your confidence will increase. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. A simple daily practice. Example. Let me give you an example of a simple 1-hour English practice routine. 10 minutes thinking in English. 20 minutes listening to English. 10 minutes shadowing practice. 15 minutes speaking practice. 5 minutes learning new vocabulary. If you follow this routine every day for 30 days, you will see real improvement. Final motivation. Learning to speak English fluently is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to practice. Every small step matters. Every sentence you speak improves your confidence. Every mistake teaches you something new. If you stay consistent for the next 30 days, your English will become stronger, clearer, and more natural. And remember this powerful truth. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. They are people who never stop practicing. Closing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, keep practicing and believe in yourself. Your English journey starts with one simple step. Start speaking today.